There are big stories behind every comment noted on this page, and the ocean is quite deep here. So, research on each one of these topics listed is worthy of your time. The world's first genetically engineered drug is this. It is a synthetic form of insulin. It was done in the 1980s, which is just very amazing. The current gene editing system in 2020 2021 is this. That does say Cas9 right there. And this whole gene editing field is progressing so rapidly that it's hard to know if this will be what it's called in several years. I don't know. We'll see. Acquisitions of new genes artificially results in this kind of an organism, so you would say that this organism has been genetically modified. It is a GMO, genetically modified organism.